Now going back to IBM Maximo, we go to Providers, select Add Connection, and choose IBM Maximo. We need to enter the IBM Maximo server address. Then we enter the username and password. Next, we log in and select the organization. In this case, it will be SimLab and Maldrum. We click Connect. Now the connection with IBM Maximo has been successfully established. To add an IBM Maximo link, we can assign it directly to previously created assets. For example, if we open an asset, let's say Guardian, we can click on it and edit the asset. At the bottom, we have a section called IBM Maximo Link. We click it and choose either Add from Existing, if links have already been imported, or Add New. In this case, we do not have any previously imported links, so I will select Add New. Now I need to choose the system. We have 3 systems from the IBM Maximo infrastructure. Then we select the element to which the Maximo link will lead us. Let's make it Tank01. After saving the changes, the Maximo link is visible inside the system. To open it in IBM Maximo, click Go to Maximo, enter your credentials, and log in. After logging in, we can see all the information about the asset from IBM Maximo. We also have a direct link that shows the asset inside SIM-ON. With one click, we are redirected to the exact position where the asset is installed. Here it is. To manage IBM Maximo link, we can also use the dashboard. After creating and importing the IBM Maximo link and connecting it to an asset, a new Resources tab appears. In this tab, we can see all IBM Maximo links imported from the Maximo system. Simple solution. From here, I can also add another link. For example, if we would like to assign another service to a link, we can add it. Let it be this one, ElectroWolf01. However, this particular link is not currently connected to any asset. This one is connected to one asset. This one is not connected to any asset, and I can connect it from here. Assets can also be assigned to this link. For example, ElectroWolf01. To do this, I go to the Assets section. For example, I will select this asset. In the IBM Maximo Link section, I choose Add from Existing. I select the link, click Add, and save the changes. Now the connection between SIM-ON and IBM Maximo has been established. In the Resources tab, we can also see information that there is one connection. Connections can be multiple. This means that one link can be connected to multiple assets. And that concludes what I wanted to show you about our software. If anything is unclear or you have any questions about SIM-ON, please contact us via our website, sim-on.com.